Hello everyone, welcome to TechHawk. Today I am going to show you how to model this screwdriver in SolidWorks. And for your practice, I have also added the dimensions in the description box. Please check it if you want to practice by your own. So let's start how to design this screwdriver in SolidWorks. First of all, you have to create a new part file. And before drawing anything, just check the unit system. We are going to use IPS unit system, so change it to IPS. And then from right plane, take sketch. We are going to draw this part first, this handle, and then this driver, and at last this small pin here. So total we are going to draw 3 parts. So in right plane, take a circle here. From smart dimension, make it 1, and then simply extrude it. The depth will be 4 inch. Okay, and this corner I am going to fillet this corner edge, and it should be 0.25 inch. Click OK. The other face here, right click on it, click sketch here, take normal view, and then from sketch click on circle, take a circle, and from smart dimension make the distance from center to center is 0.675, and this 0.5, make it 0.7, no problem. Okay, now exit sketch, and from cut extrude, cut it through all, click OK, and then from features select circular sketch pattern. Automatically our last feature, cut extrude, has been selected. So now we will select this circle as a reference. Total number should be 6, equal spacing 360 degree. Click OK. So the shape of the handle is now visible. Now we will take top plane and click sketch. Take the normal view, but I don't like this view, so I want to take this view. Okay, now from 3-point arc, select 3 point here. Okay, then from smart dimension make this radius as 0.4. Now this point to that point should be 0.25. This center point to that point, that point. It should be 0.25. Okay, exit sketch. Okay, edit it again. We want to close our sketch and we want to draw a reference center line. Okay. Now exit sketch, and from features use revolve cut here. Select our last sketch. Okay. So our handle is almost ready. We will select again the top plane and click sketch. Select circle here, and at the origin select a circle, draw a circle, and then from smart dimension the distance from this to this should be 0.6, and the diameter of this should be 0.05. Exit sketch, extruded cut, select through all both. Okay. So now we have a hole for the pin, and at last select this face, click sketch, take normal view. From circle, from the origin we are going to draw a circle, and from a smart dimension we will add the dimension as 0.25. Okay, now this should be the hole for our driver. Exit. Now we will select extruded cut, and the depth should be 2. Click OK. So our handle part is almost ready, and we are going to add some fillet here. Click fillet, click this all edges, not 0.25 radius should be 0.06. okay, and also this all edges. Okay, click OK, and I want to add some more fillet, these all points, and this should be 0.05 is okay. 0.2. Okay. Okay, it looks better. Now I will add some appearance here, maybe plastic. Okay, click save. Handle 1. Okay, save. So our first part has been finished, so we will create another part, and from new part, again we will change our unit system to IPS. Take right plane, click sketch, take a circle here, make the circle diameter is 0.25, and from feature extrude it 4, depth will be 4. Okay, and again from front plane, not front plane, from top plane, take a sketch, normal view, and select a circle at the midpoint, take a circle from a smart dimension. This should be 1.4 and the diameter should be 0.05. Okay, and from feature extrude cut through all both. Okay, and select the other face. From features you will find reference geometry and click here. Take plane, a new plane. We are going to draw a new plane. Distance should be 0.7. Okay, we are going to create another plane and it should be 0.5. Okay, so now we have two planes and I am going to sketch on plane 2 now. Take normal view. From circle command I will draw, not circle, select center rectangle. With this center point I will draw a rectangle here, and from a smart dimension this will be 0.05 and this should be 0.25. Okay, exit sketch. Now plane 1, sketch, normal view. Again take center rectangle, from the same center another rectangle. From smart dimension this arm should be 0.1 and that one 0.4. Okay, now we have two rectangles here. Exit sketch, hide this plane and again select this face, click sketch, convert entities. We will find a new circle here. So from feature take lofted boss or base, select this center, this circle, this rectangle and this rectangle. Okay, select OK. So our driver is also ready now. We will add some metal. Okay, not this part, all body. Okay, save. From desktop save it as driver 1. Okay, and for the last part again create new part, sketch on the top plane, take circle here. Oh, I forgot to change the unit system. Click it here and make it IPS. Edit sketch, from smart dimension make it 0.05. Exit sketch, from feature extrude boss, this one to 0.6. Okay, save it, name it as a pin 1. So our all three parts are ready now. we will create a new assembly now. So click new and assembly here. Okay. So first of all we will import this handle. Okay. And again we will insert this driver. Okay. So first of all we will mate this hole to this hole. Okay. And then we will mate this face to this face, but not this direction, so I will change the direction. Okay, click OK. So assembly is very easy now. Pin. Okay, so we will select this face, click mate, and this face. Okay, select this edge and this edge. Okay, so this is our screwdriver here. I hope you can draw it by yourself now. Thanks for watching our video.